episode 5 of Build Your PC Live with us at Vishal Peripherals.
So today we have an amazing build, a complete white theme build for our client based out of Hyderabad itself. And white in the sense, except the processor, everything is white. Motherboard, RAM, PSU, cabinet, everything is in white. So client was not okay to come here. He was with us on a video call. The entire process of building was done by Miss Prashasti.
Join us live and build your dream PC at Vishal Peripherals.